here's the latest from the Meteorology's Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre over there in Perth. Tropical low was located at 8 AM near 16.5 degrees south, 124 degrees east. That is 100 kilometres north-northeast of Derby, 245 kilometres northeast of Broome, moving west at 15 kilometres an hour. And those expected to track towards the west, moving offshore from the northwest Kimberley coast today and develop into a tropical cyclone on Thursday. During Friday, the cyclone is forecast to turn towards the Pilbara coast, intensifying before reaching the coast on Saturday. Scattered heavy rainfall is likely over the northwest Kimberley today and Lombandina recorded 146 millimetres since 9 AM yesterday. Flood watch also remains in place. Squally weather expected over the Dampier Peninsula north of Broome today, early Thursday. Gales also forecast along the Pilbara coast later on Friday, ahead of a possible severe cyclonic impact on Saturday. Meteorology's track is indicating a category 3 on the local scale. Now we have a look at various tracks on FS92, the developing tropical low. Strong wind warnings now in place for the West Kimberley, Leeuwin, Albany and Ashburton coast. And for the West Kimberley and the Pilbara coast, Meteorology will upgrade from strong wind warning to gale wind warning tomorrow. Here's a look at late cycle intensity guidance. Wind shear, the red's unfavourable. The 24-hour shear tendency, as we know the tropical systems love the blue and light green. One of my favourites, the 850 millibar vorticity. The vorticity scales the right hand side of the screen, and the colouring in the system is changing, and another one that I like is the upper level divergence, but not very strong. It's only about 10 to 20 knots. And as mentioned, Meteorology has in place a flood watch for the northeast West Kimberley rivers, and it will be updated around 1 PM Eastern Standard Time. Now this is from 10 AM through to at least 2200 hours. This information provides two things: the precipitation, the values at the bottom of the screen, and pressure. The pressure is in the black box. And I'm also keeping an eye on the east coast of Australia, south of Fraser Island, and we'll come to that shortly. The 850 millibar level, and it's the wind in the GFS model. The wind speed values, the bottom of the screen. So the local and tropical scene continues to develop, and my location, the Brisbane, southeast corner of Queensland, and I'm under a flood watch. However, at 15:02 hours yesterday, Bureau Meteorology issued an initial flood watch for coastal catchments south of Mount Paroo to the New South Wales Queensland border and for southern inland catchments. Minor flooding is possible from Thursday across parts of the flood watch area. Southeast coastal catchments, showers, thunderstorms, rain areas expected from today or this afternoon through to Thursday afternoon. Likely heavy falls are likely, especially close to the coast and ranges of the Sunshine Coast. Southern inland catchments, persistent widespread showers, thunderstorms, rain areas also expected over southern inland catchments during today and Thursday, with likely heavier falls. The weather will remain very unsettled towards the end of the week and into next week, with further significant rainfall possible over parts of the floodwatch area. The majority of catchments within the floodwatch area have received rainfall over the last few weeks, meaning rivers are more likely to respond to heavy rainfall. Riverine flooding also possible during Thursday over coastal catchments, whilst inland catchments are more likely to see riverine flooding later in the week. Localised flooding, minor disruption to transport routes also possible through the flood watch area. Mary, Noosa, Sunshine Coast, rivers, creeks, Pine, Caboolture rivers, upper, lower Brisbane rivers, the Logan and Albert rivers, Gold Coast rivers and creeks, the Condamine, McIntyre, the Weir, Mooney, Ballon, Wadham and Mungalala creeks, Warrego River, Paroo River and the Paroo River. And as mentioned, the scene continues to develop. Bureau Meteorology has issued New South Wales severe weather warning for heavy rainfall for the northern rivers, mid-north coast, parts of the northern tableland forecast districts. The 12-hour and 24-hour rainfall information and coastal trough to bring heavy rain. Initial flood watch has also been issued by the New South Wales office for the area south of the Queensland New South Wales border.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.